What's up, everybody? Mr. and Mrs. Cher here, and today we're making donuts. Mm-hmm. Let's get to it. Alright, if you want to cook along with us, here's what you need. Half a cup of butter, 1 package of yeast, 2 eggs, 7 or 8 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of milk, and of course oil to cook it in. So first, add 1 package of yeast and a teaspoon of sugar to a cup of warm water. Mix it up and let it sit. Next, scald 2 cups of milk. While hot, add 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of butter and let it cool. Beat 2 eggs in a bowl. Help your partner out if need be.
Help me. Thank you. One more.
Beat them up nice. In a large mixing bowl, add your eggs, your milk, and Gesundheit, and the yeast. Now it's time to add the flour. Add that flour. More flour. Yes, more flour. That's a lot of flour. Do we have enough flour? Now get in there and knead it up nice. Cover it with a damp cloth and let it rise to double its size. Now you have some free time. Go ahead and give your partner a smooch and a hug. Maybe a butt grab for good measure. Grab that dough and beat it like it owes you money.
Yep. Whoa.
Now once you get that out of your system, go ahead and cover it up and let it rise again. Just like Jesus. Amen. Wait another 10 to 20 minutes and get your surface ready to roll the dough flat. Oh, excuse me. Using a small bowl or coffee mug to cut the circles out works really good, and a salt shaker top is perfect for the holes. Once you got them all cut out, let them rest for 20 minutes or so. They're exhausted. Now heat up that oil and start cooking. Sounds so good. The holes can be a little bit tricky to flip. Come on, you bugger. There we go. You son of a... Resist the urge to eat them and keep on cooking. And there you have it. An easy donut recipe. Donuts. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you make some donuts for yourselves, and take care, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.